Hey, I'm home now, but what you're about to see in this video is our little trek up to Seattle this week. Again, doctor's appointments for my youngest child. So we went up Tuesday night. We spent the night in Linwood again. We found a good. I'm very much a creature of habit. If I find a hotel I like, I just rebook it, especially since I know it's like the good deal around town. The one we stayed at in the beginning that I really did like, the price has skyrocketed, so we went a little further out. But we went up, we had dinner at Spaghetti Factory, we went to Daiso, and I do love a good school supply, so I found some paper and a little book to hold because doing one of my researchy projects. And then, and some more totes to keep thread in. And then we went to bed and charged and helped some guys out who had a problem with their car. And I quite like electric cars because if it was a combustion engine, I don't really know much. I couldn't help anybody fix their car that's broken. But plugging in a car, I'm pretty good at that. I can help people, and Grayson really did more helping than I did. Grayson, I think, we had 2 chances to help people at the Chargers, and Grayson helped both of them. So, but it's still kind of cool that you can help people. It's kind of a different socialization at electric car chargers. I don't know why, but it kind of is. Anyway, we helped these couple of guys. Then we went and spent the night, hung out, and then the next morning we got up, coffee, doctor's appointment for Grayson, and then I drove to Bellevue to the only place you could get Mophistos, except I found out they have them at Woodburn too. So if you're in the Portland area, go down to Woodburn. I love Mophistos. My friend Kathy Batty suggested that they're like a nicer equivalent to Birkenstocks. I just don't. With dresses, the 2-strap Birkie is not the same, and I have like really short toes, so I can't wear a thong toe, which some of those are. So the Mophisto fits me nice. So I got some sandals, and then I've discovered that Mophisto has tennis shoes that look really nice. So I got a pair of those too and spent way too much money. And then we took off and went to Shipwreck Beads. I was good. I was very, very good. I only bought 2 little packs of beads. So my purchase was nominal. Grayson lost a little control, a little bit, but has a plan for it, so that's good. And Shipwreck Beads has moved across the street, so be warned. That was a bit of a surprise. I was like tootling my way in there. The map doesn't even know they've moved. They had a big sign in the parking lot, thank goodness. It's smaller, but it was super nice. So we went to Shipwreck Beads, and then we got in the car and we drove home, stopping to charge when another person was having trouble with their charger, and so Grayson went and helped them. Again, it was operator error. Well, the first guy, his little gasket fell off the pin in his plug, and he happened to be hanging out with a friend who was a machinist, and that guy took a chopstick, put it in the plug hole, and popped out the little gasket that's on the tip of the charging pins. And so the friend fixed that problem, although Grayson figured out what was going on. And then when we went down in Chehalis for our charge on the way home, the poor gal, and I didn't know they were doing this, but it's not good. She rented a car and they gave her an electric car, which means no instructions. She didn't know what she was doing. She rolls up to the charger and can't figure out why she's only getting a 45% charge. And I guess her wife had fiddled around because there's lots of screens and electronic things that you can mess with. And the wife had accidentally reduced the fill charge to 45%, so she could not fill up all the way, and so she could only fill up to get her another 70 miles. Grayson figured it out again. I don't know that I would have even figured that one out. I wouldn't have even thought of it. So that was good. Grayson to the rescue twice on the charger. And then we came home. Oh, and we get home, and the next door just put in a new driveway, and they broke our sidewalk, which means when we got home, I couldn't drive in my own driveway. We had to park on the street. Thankfully, I knew before we left the charger, so I just filled up instead of going home and planning on filling at home. So I've got enough charge to get me around tomorrow, and I'm on the street so I can get out. Tomorrow it will be dry enough and we can come in the driveway. But, oh, I almost forgot. We went one more place, and that's what the footage is. after we went to Mophisto, I wanted to stop off at the garden center that I used to go to when I was growing up. About once a year, we would go over by the SeaTac airport and we'd go to Fernie's, which was it was like a great big garden center. It was a pretty walk. They set it up really nice. Well, Fernie's is gone. It closed. Fernie's is now an Amazon fulfillment center and a pharmacy depot thing, like a wholesale distributor building. So no more Fernie's. So then we went to the second garden center, and I'm going to put the name of the place right here because I already forgot. I would have remembered Fernie's, but I didn't remember the new place. So we looked up the next nearest decent nursery, and the name's going to go right here, and then you're going to see the footage with the sound down probably, where we walked around. There were some really nice plants. I'll show you on Saturday what I got because they're outside. Oh, here's peonies. I don't know what kind. I want a yellow peony or... Oh. Yeah, that's red hot poker, but it's a tall red hot poker.
Shame you don't like roses.
Well, I've already kind of got some plans for roses. I might need to get one of these. That is beautiful. Oh, look at the pagoda's beautiful. Isn't that nice?
Olive.
Where? Oh!
Olive.
Once we get a greenhouse, olive trees.
$400.
Yeah. There's a local guy that's not spending too much. That's too expensive. These are blueberries. I wouldn't mind getting some blueberries someday, but not yet.
Raspberries.
And that, yes. Look at that.
Ooh, the yellow rose is so nice.
It is pretty. I want to get.
Horrifically poisonous.
I'm only going to get David Austin's, but I have to.
Not the Julia Child rose.
Oh, maybe.
Hers is butter colored.
Oh, look at that. That's a tree peony.
Ooh, that's an unnatural color.
Yeah, well, they've.
It's not, but it is. Love this one.
I don't think I don't think it is an unnatural tree peony.
No, it's just very.
It's yellow.
Greenish.
Well, you know me and green. I like it. I do like the washed out pink. I don't love pink. I hate pink, but this has got like yellow in it. Oh, look at this. Look at this one.
Yeah, I saw it. I like that plant.
Well, it's a peony. Oh, well, I'm not going to get rid of what I have. Ooh, look at that one. I wonder if it's the same one, just not gone as salmony. Yeah. But I don't...
It's also not fully...
Yeah, they're not done yet. Look down beneath and see if they're tree peonies or if they're just a peony. I know, that's the one I'm looking at. Do they say they're a tree peony? Or I'm not a grass fan.
Yeah, they're the same.
So they're a tree peony, though.
I don't know.
Oh. Let's see. Oh. It's an Ito peony.
Yeah.
Huh. I'll have to look at that. Oh my God. Did you see how much that was? That's $150. I don't think I'll be having one there.
Kill for that.
Yeah.
Look at the
Look at the little Marguerite daisies. They're pretty. Huh? Yeah, but we need Atlas. And besides, that's too expensive. More peonies that are done blooming. Yep, $150 for that, but boy, it's beautiful.
You should smell it.
Oh, does it smell? The rose or the peony? The peony does too. It's a little musty though. Candy tuft is nice. Oh, that is a nice. Yeah. What is this? Anna's Promise.
Really, if you're gonna put in roses, you should just go to the rose garden. They got all of them there. And you can figure out which.
But I don't know if they're putting in new varieties.
Yeah, they are.
Are they?
They have a test garden still.
Oh, okay. Clematis. I wouldn't mind a clematis, but I've never had good luck with them. These are just... Huh? A ball? Oh, yeah. Oh, I know how to make them now.
Oh, me too.
Oh, look at the cut flowers, I think.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, they're pretty.
It's very pretty and,
Ooh.
yeah, aren't they nice?
That's too much.
So this is a cut arrangement we can take home.
Love this one.
Yeah.
I'm going to video our lunch, but we stopped at Dick's. Dick's is an old drive-in that's been here since I was a kid. Occasionally we would go to the other ones. I didn't realize this one was in Des Moines, but we just stopped because Grayson recalled something and looked it up, and it was right at the end of the street from the nursery. So if you come up here to the nursery, make sure you stop at Dick's. I'm going to show you our fries. Oh my God. Skinny little potato fries, and they're delicious. Tartar sauce, I'm not so sure. It tastes like it's got tarragon or something in it. And then, oh, sorry, I'm eating on camera. And then I'm going to show you. This is the deluxe burger. Is it the thumbs up?
Yeah.
It's got the special sauce on it,
It does.
but it's good in the hamburger.
Yeah.
I went with a plain burger because I'm simple. I like simple things. Here is the plain burger. And also I like the size of a kid's burger. Just a minute, I have to move you because my cheese stuck to it. So it's just cheese. I'm looking to see, and ketchup. So I don't have special sauce. You have to get the deluxe to get the special sauce and vegetables.
I want the vegetables.
Do you have a tomato?
Not that I've seen. I don't think so.
For lettuce, cheese, and chopped up pickles.
Yep.
This is good. This is really
And
good.
mayo. I think there's mustard in there too.
The right amount of cheese, the right amount of skinny burger, which I like. All right. So, highly recommend Dick's after you go to the garden center.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that. That's all for me today. After we got home, we ran out again to get stuff for the water line that's still not put in. So tomorrow, my husband has promised me, David, that he will put in my water dribbling system for my raised beds. Because stuff's not getting water and things are sprouting out there, and I'm worried about my potatoes, my King Edward potatoes. So anyway, that's it for me today. If you haven't subscribed, do, because it helps us out. And then ring the bell, and then you'll be notified when a new video goes up from either Kelly or I. Like, subscribe. How's your gardening doing? Have you taken any trips for fun? Any good trips up to Seattle? I know Tamara's up there. She's up north of Bellevue. I think for something medieval, I think. I don't know. She just sent me a picture of her in some garb, so I know it's something historical that she's up there for. And I think some of my other friends are up there too. But what are you doing? I hope you're having fun. Oh. Anyway, I need to go to bed, clearly, because I'm tired. I will see you on Saturday or Sunday or somewhere in between. Bye.